Howdy, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we walked into the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. The Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. Hey, this is their first floor, so let's take a look at it. First of all, it's super pretty, very, very nice. Very, very cool, kind of modern and fun. This is the lobby. It's just kind of a fun area to gather. This is the leasing center right over there. And then over here, hey man, we've got a nice additional fun area that's really cool and ready to go. It's a kitchen. There is a booth here, so you could be working from here if you wanted to. And hey man, you got some coffee. It's a coffee machine. You can just grab some coffee at any time, free. There's another booth over there, and then really cool area. I love it. I mean, look at the lighting. Love the lighting that's in here. Love the pool table. There's some more work areas here. It's a fun area, and it's got just a fresh feel here too. So it gives you kind of a taste of what it's going to be like here at the Storey. You can see outside. There's an incredible pool that's out there. That's going to be amazing. So it's nice to see that pool. And then there's going to be some other amenities. The fitness center is really close by. And I think one other amenity, and we'll capture all that on film. So we're about to go to the next amenity. We're going to just go through here. If you have any questions at any time about anything that you're seeing, hey, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you're ready to set up a tour, we do a free tour setup. And with our 100% free service, we can do that via FaceTime, live in person, or whatever is best for you. So whatever time of day or night that you're seeing this, if you once you see this and you're ready for the tour, just send that text. I'm going to respond to you really quickly.